Good morning everyone. Today, I am going to talk about water pollution, one of the most serious environmental issues facing our planet. 2. How water pollution harms living beings. Water pollution affects every form of life on Earth. Contaminated water causes diseases like cholera, typhoid, and diarrhea in humans. In aquatic life, pollution leads to oxygen depletion, causing fish and other marine animals to die. Even plants are affected. Polluted water slows their growth and changes soil quality. Example. One tragic example is the Minamata Bay disaster in Japan during the 1950s. A factory released mercury into the bay, poisoning the fish. When people ate those fish, thousands suffered from severe mercury poisoning, which caused brain damage and birth defects. This event is remembered as one of the world's worst cases of water pollution. Causes of water pollution in our daily lives. Many causes of water pollution come from our everyday actions. Throwing plastics, wrappers, or garbage near drains or rivers. Using chemical detergents and toxic cleaning agents that flow into sewage systems. Dumping industrial waste and sewage water without proper treatment. Using pesticides and fertilizers in farming that get washed away into rivers and lakes. Oil leaks from vehicles and ships. Deforestation, which increases soil erosion and runoff into water bodies. Even simple acts like washing clothes in rivers or leaving soap and shampoo in open water sources add to pollution. Types of water bodies and how each got polluted. Let's look at how different water bodies are getting polluted one by one. A. Oceans. Oceans are becoming dumping grounds for industrial waste, plastic garbage, and oil spills. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a massive collection of floating plastic waste, is a shocking example of ocean pollution. B. Seas. Seas are polluted mainly due to oil spills, chemical discharge from ships, and untreated sewage from coastal cities. Marine animals like turtles, dolphins, and seabirds often die after consuming or getting trapped in plastic waste. C. Rivers. Rivers like the Ganga in India or the Yangtze in China are heavily polluted by sewage, industrial effluents, and religious offerings. People bathe, wash clothes, and dump waste into rivers, worsening their condition. D. Lakes. Lakes suffer from eutrophication, where excessive nutrients from fertilizers cause algae blooms. This reduces oxygen levels, killing fish and other organisms. For example, Dal Lake in Kashmir is losing its purity due to human waste and tourist activity. E. Ponds. Ponds in rural areas are polluted by dumping of domestic waste, animal bathing, and washing utensils. These small water bodies, once sources of clean water, are now breeding grounds for mosquitoes and bacteria. F. Glaciers. Even glaciers are not safe. Climate change and air pollution cause acid rain and black carbon deposits on glaciers. This not only melts them faster but also contaminates fresh meltwater with toxins and microplastics. Effects caused by water pollution. Water pollution causes health problems in humans, such as diarrhea, cancer, and neurological issues. Loss of biodiversity, as aquatic plants and animals die. Disruption of food chains, when toxins move from small fish to larger predators and eventually to humans. Shortage of clean drinking water for communities. Economic losses in fisheries, tourism, and agriculture. Solutions to water pollution. To fight water pollution, we must act together. Some key solutions include proper waste disposal. Never throw plastic or garbage near water sources. Treating industrial and domestic wastewater before releasing it. Using eco-friendly products, biodegradable detergents and natural cleaning agents. Planting trees and vegetation to prevent soil erosion. Avoiding chemical fertilizers and pesticides, switch to organic farming. Public awareness and education about conserving water. Laws and strict penalties for industries and ships that pollute. Community cleanup drives for rivers, ponds, and beaches. Even small actions, like reusing water, reducing plastic use, and saving rainwater, make a big difference. Conclusion. In conclusion, water is life, but if we continue polluting it, we are slowly destroying our future. Each drop of clean water matters. Let us promise to protect our rivers, lakes, oceans, and glaciers for ourselves and for generations to come. Because the earth has enough for everyone's need, but not for everyone's greed. Thank you.